Alright, so going to Kathy's house again. I probably will film there. I'm gonna take care of her grandbabies, and so yeah. Do my hair in a ponytail, got clothes on, shoes on. So yeah, I'm gonna go. So bye.
Watch your camera.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Eliza.
What are you drinking?
Shake.
What kind?
A white one.
Oh, what?
A vanilla.
Nayeli. 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 Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Huh?
Nayeli. What's your name?
Eliza.
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
What are you drinking?
Shake.
What kind of shake?
Vanilla.
It's not vanilla. It's banana. It's good, right?
Yep.
No, it isn't. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Huh? What are you doing? Playing with your feet?
She always do that.
Got milk?
Whoa. I have banana.
Banana. Look at why you stick your pinky like that. You stick your pinky up. What are you drinking, Nayeli? What is it, Mama?
Yeah.
Banana.
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 Look.
Huh?
Look.
Nayeli, don't stick her butt. Look at she's sticking her butt. So cute. You're so cute. You got milk?
Yes.
You got a milk beard? Milk mustache?
Huh?
Why do you have your leg like that?
Like.
Like that on the chair.
Oh, I don't know.
What was that? Did you fart?
No. It's
Yes, you
fine.
did. You farted?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
You did?
Yeah. Your baby farted.
Your baby.
farted. Ray farted.
Ray farted?
Yep.
My brother?
Ray farted. Why do you always need to be mean to him?
Huh?
Why do you always need to get mad at him?
Because he's ugly. You got a milk mustache.
Huh?
You got a milk mustache.
He got a milk mustache.
You got a milk mustache.
So she could throw up.
Get your finger out of your mouth. Get your finger out of your mouth. Thank you. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. I'm gonna poke your nose. Can I poke your nose?
No.
I can poke it.
Ew.
Let me poke your nose. I got your milkshake. I got your smoothie.
Hey, Mama.
I got your nose.
Give me
I
my
got your nose. Okay. Nayeli.
Huh?
Eliza.
What?
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Now.
What are you doing now?
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 Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
What are you doing now? Why is she copying me?
I don't know. Why are you copying me? Why are you copying me? Huh?
Huh?
Just kidding, Nayeli.
Leave the light on.
Why?
'Cause I'm really
But it's daytime outside, look.
I know, but the light not showing to us.
Huh?
The light's not showing to us.
Nayeli!
It's so smelly, got a belly.
Nayeli's so smelly, she has a big belly full of jelly. Nayeli, what are you doing? You gonna fall off? You're gonna fall off? You're gonna fall off? Pop, 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 pop.
This is popcorn, look. That's a popcorn bowl.
Sit down. Thank you. You look so pretty. You're so pretty, so cute.
Can you do what I did to the other one?
Why did you grab it and now you're gonna put it back? Don't scream, okay?
Huh?
Don't scream. Get out of the pantry. Close the door. Why are you gonna bump me like that? Look, I finished mine.
Whoa.
I don't have no more.
Well, finished it fast.
What are you doing? Why you copying me, huh? Nayeli.
You were doing that?
What?
The what she was doing?
No. Were you doing it?
No.
Why are you putting 2 straws in there?
Because I want to.
You're wasting straws. Yeah. Why did you do that?
Because.
Nayeli, so cute.
Nayeli is so milky. Got the jelly in her tummy.
Nayeli is so. Why are you looking at me like that? Nayeli is so smelly. She has a belly full of jelly. Why are you looking at me like that? It's so scary. Nayeli is so scary. She has a belly full of jelly. What are you doing? Why are you doing that? Stop doing that, Eliza. You're wasting milk. Yeah. You're wasting milkshake. Nayeli. You're making a mess. Ooh, look at you dance. Go, mama. Go, Nayeli. Go, Nayeli. Go, Nayeli. Do it. Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. What are we making?
We're making popsicles.
Making popsicles. Huh? You want a popsicle?
Yeah.
They're not finished yet. We need to put them in the freezer. Right, Eliza?
Yep.
Put the sticks in. Put the sticks in. No. Where the juice is at.
Oh.
Where's the other one? Get the other one.
From where did I put it?
Oops, you need to dump some of this out.
All of it.
No, some of it.
Why is it so chocolate?
It's not chocolate
Oh, why is it so like that?
because that's the way they made the juice. Okay. What kind is it?
Huh?
What kind is it?
It's banana, strawberry, and tomato.
Banana, strawberry, and what?
Tomato.
Tomato?
Yup.
Where's the tomato? It's only banana and strawberry.
I don't know.
Why are you crying? Huh? ¿Qué quieres? What are you doing? You gonna be in gymnastics? Gymnastics?
That's how they go.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna put the popsicles in there, right?
Huh?
We gotta put where do we gotta put the popsicles at? In the freezer? On the top? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Making food for the kids. Making hot dogs. And hot dogs. They're in there. Eliza wanted them on from the microwave. Came out. So yep. That's what they're gonna eat is corn dogs and hot dogs. So yeah. I think only me and Eliza are gonna eat hot dog and corn dog, and then Naomi's gonna eat the hot dog. So yeah, bye. You probably can't see me right now, but just got back from something. I am spending the night at Kathy's house. Right now I'm watching Karate Kid, the first one. Nayeli is everybody's asleep. I'm in the guest room with the little one, Nayeli. She won't go to sleep. But yeah, so I'm gonna stay watching this and then go to bed. Okay, bye.